We are Engineering Research Team B, South Brunswick High School. Way we are making ozone is through the electrolysis of sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid, we're using 3 molar sulfuric acid and 100 milliliters of it. Here. And here we have 20 milliliters of beet juice diluted with 1 drop of beet juice for every 5 milliliters of water. And we are using 3 batteries, each 9 volts in series.
This is the reaction occurring because of the electrolysis and the electrical energy from the 3 9-volt batteries. The batteries are required because this reaction is non-spontaneous and electrical energy needs to be applied for it to occur. At the anode, which is a platinum wire, oxidation occurs and O3 and O2 form with a mole ratio of 2 to 3 respectively. The O3 and the O2 are bubbled through the rubber tube into the beet juice, and the beet juice eventually becomes colorless as more O3 is bubbled through it. The beet juice also helps separate O3 from the other gases that are present, which is basically the O2, and an amount of O3 can be determined from this.